Hi, welcome to this fourth video on tips, tricks in Microsoft Excel. In this video, we are going to see how to give a particular permission after production. After production, how to give a particular permission. Suppose this table, assume I am going to the review tab and I am going to click on product sheet. Last videos, we have seen how to protect a particular region, how to protect the formula, how to protect or hide a cell. So we have seen everything. Now let us go to the review tab. Under review tab, I click on the product sheet. When I click on the product sheet, it opens and it asks for a dialog box. So it asks for a password. So let me give a password and I say okay. And once again I can give a password and I say okay. So it's entirely protected here. So you cannot edit any cells here. You can select it, that's all. But if you go here and try to edit, you cannot do that. But I want others to do some auto filtering here. They can filter and see my records. They cannot edit it or delete. They can filter and see the records. And after creating the pivot table, they can edit my pivot table also. How to give that particular permission. So let us unprotect the sheet now. So before unprotecting the sheet, you have to give the password. Before protecting now, before giving the permission, first you have to filter the table. You have to apply the filter. Go to the data and click on filter button. Data, click on filter. Or you know the shortcut key, Control Shift T. So the filter is applied. After applying the filter, now let us go to the review tab, because before applying the filter it may not work. After applying the filter, now I will go to the review tab and click on the product sheet again. So when I click on the product sheet, before giving the password, there is some option where we can give particular permission. You can give a permission so that the user can format your cell, format the column, format the rows, insert or delete, insert the new columns, insert the new rows. Various options are available. You can delete the rows and columns. But for example, I am going to give a permission. They can use the auto filter in this table. Right? So let me select the auto filter. I select the auto filter. Now I say okay. Give a password. Okay. Now if I click here on the filter is activated. Suppose I want to filter only the central region and say okay. Only the central region is filtered. Correct? So now we are given a particular permission. Now for example, I want to give a permission so that the user can create a pivot table. They can use the use the pivot table. So let us go to unprotect the sheet. Give a password. Now first let me create a pivot table for this. Insert pivot. Pivot is a bigger chapter. I will create a separate video for it. Now we'll see a simple one. Existing worksheet, and I select some location where I want to create a pivot and say okay. Assume I want to create a pivot. Payment type wise, what is the sum of amount? So let me select the payment type and I'll put it into rows. And I drag the discount or sales amount. I am putting the sales amount in the values. So we have created the pivot. After creating the pivot, now what we do is go to the same review tab and go to the same product sheet. And before giving the password, there is an option called as use pivot table and chart. Use, not creating, because it will not create. After creating, you can use and edit it. So use pivot table. I select this option, use pivot table and chart. Now say okay. Now it is protected. The advantage here is after protecting, now suppose I want to add the discount column also in my pivot. You can drag and you can bring the discount column onto the pivot. But the editing and other things is not possible because your sheet is protected. Right? So like this, you can give a particular permission, so your specified permission after protection also. So if you have any questions, doubts and queries, put it into the chat box. I will try to create a separate video for it. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video.